There you go. Well, if I start talking about the government, it gets bad. It turns out branches off.
It's so true, though.
It's like a really thick river, and it's bountiful, it's raging, and then suddenly there's all these tributaries that break off, and then it's just like
Then we're talking about aliens.
halfway across the country. Exactly. I start talking about aliens, and it's just like, oh man.
Noah Foro truly believes that aliens exist.
Well, that's good because they do. I mean, I can't
He'll
say
fight
I've
for
seen
it.
one. I've never seen
He'll
one.
be like, no, they fucking exist. They are real. He'll get so pissed
I like
off.
the people that are like really got a lot of conviction to it. Like I can't sit here and make you like believe that there are.
That's
But,
what he does. He's just like, no, they're real. I swear. Like I swear, he'll be the one to go as far as saying like he got abducted by an alien.
Yeah.
Like if
I've
there's
never-
anything he believes, it's aliens.
That's never happened to me personally. I've seen some weird stuff up in the sky, but you know, I can't. That was
never been probed.
never been touched by any alien.
That should be a documentary.
Right.
You know what I don't think they've tested yet?
What?
If aliens can contract Ebola.
Probably not.
Or not aliens. Did I say aliens? Did I just say animals?
It's a Freudian slip. You want to know if aliens can get Ebola? But you're not entirely sure.
Wow.
See, that's what happens when you start talking about
Aliens with
aliens,
Ebola.
man. It's just you get off track.
Perfect example.
Exactly.
They don't know it yet, though. Ooh, I didn't check that second drop for the levels.
Wow.
Perfect.
Really behind me, this is the start of a revolution. Humorous is the delusion of might, they better dread the bruising. Conclusions made from confusion with brains they're never using. They call the fall. I almost had that first take. Shit. I was going in, I had the flow, it was there. No. Okay, let's give this another go. Rally behind me, this is the start of a revolution. Humorous is the delusion of might, they better dread the bruising. Conclusions made from confusion with brains they're never using. And he called a brawl, you fall even with clever rusing. I may have got that.
I think you did.
Could you play that back for me?
I can, just wait a minute.
Yeah, that's cool. Rally behind me, this is the start of a revolution. Humorous is the delusion of might, they better dread the bruising. Conclusions made from confusion with brains they never using. And he called a brawl, you fall even with clever rusing. Ooh.
I think that one was even better than the last one.
Rally behind me, this is the start of a revolution. Humorous is the delusion of might, they better dread the bruising. Conclusions made from confusion with brains they never using. And he called a behind me, this is the start of a rally behind me, this is the start of a revolution. Humorous is the delusion of might, they better dread the bruising. Conclusions made from confusion with brains they never using. And he called a brawl, you fall even with clever rusing. What do you think?
Like it.
I like it a lot.
It is cool. Wanna know what else is cool? Snow.
That is true.
I know. Because it's winter.
Not yet.
It's almost winter.
Close.
Alright, let's do this.